How to fix Roblox error code 268 in your mobile. So let's get started. So the first thing that you have to do is check out that you are using the latest version of your application or not. So simply go into your app store or the play store that you are using and go in the Roblox. Now here you have to click on it and make sure to update this, and if it is already updated then you just have to simply open your application. So once you open it, you have to go back and go into your phone settings. Now from here go in the general and scroll down and click on the VPN and the device management, and you have to repeat the same process in your Android. Now here you have to check out that if there is any VPN is connected, and if it is any then you just have to disconnect it. So once you disconnect your VPN, then you have to go back and make sure that you are using the secure and stable internet connection, and then you are able to fix your error code 268 in your mobile. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.